ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Kum ka jing ito ya usenyang uban hai bakila no asya usup utiar jong ki emnang ka saalang ka office trekam jong ka Shillong Municipal Board ha kasingi sajjan jong ka artarik uban hai risau arjar arpuai kalapan ko buram hado lais pa angut ki breu na ki kinhon ba pher bat kuntu buru na ka office jong ka municipal ki ba judan benta ha ka batam ya ki jabo jaban ha keleng ki benta jong ka sor Shillong. Ya gani ka jing pun ko buram kabala penlong harengkat ka jing trailang bat ka State Investment Program Management and Implementation Unit le don langru Chief Executive Officer jong ka Shillong Municipal Board uba BS Solia ubala long ukongsan hagani ka sngi bat kiway.
Environment does not mean only cleaning and making sure things around us are clean and with no speck of dirt, but it goes beyond that. Waste management is beyond that. It is right from how we clean, how we take what we've cleaned to the disposal site, how we treat that waste, and how the waste that's been treated either becomes compost or it's been segregated, and the segregated waste is then again recycled. That's the whole gamut that can explain in 3 lines about waste management. Of course, if we go into details, it might take a very long time. Boleh ngibar, boleh ada lang kena kapor. Boleh nado Pak Khan, Pak Kier, Madam Martina, Pak Jeff, Project Clean Surroundings. Mufi saya berhak bidon ha field. Dia mufi badan ha field, mufi bidon ha surak, mufi bidon siapa open code. Dia mufi bayar kita bateri kita nanti kalau Shillong Municipal Board bat ki iba pelak penpau pelak penpeni sya beri bayar bayang kai khuy suba ya jaka kun saudong jungi ki yo hot ki jingero teng yo ki jing ketho teng yo ki krisem nang nang tai rai ni kita prohet ni kilong kumang ki kai kelam ni nang ya ibu ya ibe ki kam manang tristom susu ni tu gidoran kat ya trailang ka bengia keren ni kalau bengia trai pun kenhun ni batrai simet dadang gidon kenu ke ba dasi ha kenu ka kam bagi trai bagi lap bakadon jing duna jing ko hang ni tai ngilong gi be kloi bengia kenjo ktien bat iwe bat ngini tip mengiru khanang ba ngilap ni penbet di kita ki
Waste Workers Association of India, and they are master trainers. In fact, we have set up these waste recovery centers in some other localities, and we have called these Mary Maidens of Martin, the Yanet Sam Self Group, to train those waste recovery centers. So they are very instrumental in bringing about a localized processing and disposal of waste. However, unfortunately, many of the members could not be here with us. We just have the coordinator, Panglari Salakadam, who coordinates our activities. So she is here with us, and we will hand over the certificate to her on their behalf. They have been working in the areas of waste management for a few years, maybe as long as Yanet Sam Self Group. They have been collecting these recyclables from the street corners, from the unauthorized dump sites, and selling those, and so much that they've done such a tremendous job that we thought it we thought it nice if we could help them, and somehow we entered the agreement, gave them one vehicle, an old vehicle of course, though it may be, but they've been doing the job even better since then.
Isya ka project kala sedang Muslim nado por bang ridhi bang ba officially as a project mo ngasang unofficially 2016 we officially bang record but ka bangi register but ke municipal ka nado uar hajar hapra the project in surrounding kata ka kertengi kala batai mo project. We don't know for how long. Project, it's not an organization or this or that, it's a project. So we keep on doing as long as we can do it. The project clean surrounding, project penhoit saudong saukun. I clean my surrounding, you clean your surrounding, she clean her surrounding, like Mukhra will clean its surrounding, Malki will clean its surrounding, Police Bara then ultimately, individually, if each and every citizen of the state do this, or one person from one household do this, then Shillong in itself will become clean. That is the whole idea behind this project, Clean Surrounding. It starts first with my own surrounding, then multiply. Kajing, contribute kajing jabo jong kasor kadai ba people they want comfort. Kimla ban kajing lek bread nyotro kim kwa ban lek bread kajaka bari ban bread ne ban abi kali municipal ne namar biki kerki kajing bread pathari kinion bat kini ki di ya ba mo ki le ki jaka ki bomdai ban le te untang ya kataro bagi ladep jaka bikin subuh gitu hang tu kum ki briu makum mengi ne menu ngila belum. Some of them, what they do, keep and patch non do bilor hang tu, which makes it more difficult for us. Te katai hindre monong hi overall, it's the common sense of people, which is not common with everyone, that makes the city dirty. Te kata jabo do kajaka denong no tengkat mentang si kala menjabo kani kajaka la sha kajabo katai monong ban categorize baka tahi kajaka kajabo na. Mesti dia ni bi don't bring so tu bakla ngi mo kimut bengi degi rack because we are not rack because ngi pen khoj ya surrounding la jong but tengkhat ngi target chubu ko man ne kas ngi target ya ka lompangat forest area hang tu ki don katu kamaran football besi di se bam gi brewe hang tu ndai ba baro ngam kono ya baro long manu kat bigile te habangi le satu ka jaka bigile songka gi brewe gum tengkhat tu ngi ya di tumaran football menta sekali yang ni grim stay pindas nang na do ni sarwat ta do sebukut stay don gitu gibri gi trash nong ngam tharai namar pinda pe gi kom bread gi nyut gi jabo em ngam tharai gi trash nong gin bread kum kita gi bengi gi bilor kiat berem tinggi ke persedia jungi kalong ba subuh mentang target point ni ti nang ni na bengi sedang ngangani ada kali awareness kadiang awareness common they keep on walking with one bag. Tin dadep nang tu kat banang dap nang pelaj hadu ndala point e ngipet kali kala adap tingi wan phaino lada kampat dap we carry on but till it's full at least we make it one trip in a day but in reality tengkhat art trip tengkhat light trip tu mod ha ba met gen namarum dei bangi likit na kawai ka jaka ngilum tan bi ngilum te ka bampor gen jingno jingsep kolong gum ni mo ni tho ata namar bun no gimut bingile business ndai kam dei funding impat yo nang no but ngim nak mil ti thani ka tan don ba ai ngi pedang mong mengi ignore te dalong ba ke ki bangilum ni gini kitiar bi this is a cycle ke this is waste management ka bangilum ni gini kitiar te menta dangila de belum dingila lidi ngasiwi gi volunteers ki badon hakatu kasngi tin dadep nang ta ka batam nang to nga maintain ka kali kan mentali philai kan kali bangi yo nang po municipal which I'm so grateful to the CEO Ba Khan whoever who is involved in this in fact the entire municipal team ni maintain ni kali te the kai ka ba remain nang to kai ka ba tam nang to pan ile agum no ngi thung chor and gi juru gi bomai da wai so ai tang na kasbo tin dala dep nang ta kata that process kala ya la it has been going on now for quite a long time. Te mentang ngiri kisniang let's see kan kani ka long ba fi im labor ya kani ka kam ba phile if you don't have a passion you won't be able to do it. Te mentang fi on unemployment how much can the government employ you? How much can you go out and work in a company if you don't learn to stand on your own feet? I think and be creative will be very difficult. Bon ki ong out I have my degree. I have 2-3 degrees with me. I'm a diploma holder also. And then in fact I finished my theological studies, Bachelor of Divinity, but I don't behave like a priest or anything because I believe that is just a degree. In spite of all this is what I do. In my faith, as a Christian, to take care of the earth. He said take care. Don't give whatever you do it as do service to man is service to God, so you do it as though you are doing service to God. Ya mentang idon sangut ki permanent members bensuang ya bon re na do ba men sem ni COVID kala long tomo but the lesser the better. Too many cooks spoil the dish. The sangut ki permanent member arngut ki belum men step te arngut ki belum men ski bat nga but laingut ki volunteers ki ba kinta like ki one join. The future aim kalong hi ba bengin nang ya yele but ban pun khoj. But you know that Shillong kani kari Shillong ri khasi jongi bat khamtam ni le kanong ba Shillong kanong ka bokhoi kata kari ki im tingin nang yai le ka message kanong kawai ba wat le rai wat jaitu wat sarong hin salong brio tu blerun skur kui pi por bangas dang lum arteli gitu ki bilor nak fan iyang ngam ju poi perkhat wa sisien ka singi ngan yo jeng arab kumni ngam ju poi perkhat ni arteli dai bilor kia ngasulum nomor bali banga kwa bakatu ka jaka banga song tu kan khot ngalum nomor bali banga la janur no po pulo por baile kai bol khon po stadium ngayu bilor postek di kade kata ngasdang di ta tika poi sedu seni nang ni sakhamat ngam tip kumno nomor kani ka bangile ni da bomdei bo phio ka jingkhot ulei banle kani hileran banle kani mentang adang lum bilor hang ni wan huwe humen atmi jonga subu bolong doktor nani bolong IAS benari we ne khna samla bom dan kam dan jam menta mo da ka baburam kum nak samla ti kadon ka future bun ye song kurim kani katai subu lum bilor kawan ka ka priu tanat nut banlum ne kata ni la da nut that's a calling la da nut la leran pipet no that's not a calling this it needs a calling, it needs commitment because if you don't have a commitment name I think in 2-3 months time you just give up kumene huslap rungi tri adu kani ka platform mo they like the bungi yo kumni the facilitate kumni we feel honored we feel encouraged they ngiru ngiyo men sim ngai khamtam ni le da ka Shillong municipal board hi kabadi mo ka government Meghalaya da kini hi ki support ngi te skaipan ka don kam stang jingir khu jong blai ke ka jing support jong bri ngi layo menta stang jingir khu jong blai ti tahi Mendai tangani ka don gato no po Mumbai rusin ngayo ka first environment hero award ngadai tang mga marway no po North East mendai mga ba ka team jonga ni mga team jonga ban mga dai tang mangi yo ya kato ti kini pi long ki kenti ngi safrang din ti ngimdai kin man leran
Watching. Come on. Last